morning to everyone. Myself Sona Neva, standing before you to lead today this morning assembly. Idioms makes our language attractive and effective. So here come Hiral Verma from grade 5th.
A wonderful morning to one and all present over here, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Hiral Verma from class 5th, standing before you to tell today's idiom. Today's idiom is speak and span. I repeat my idiom, speak and span, meaning neat and clean sentence. My mother always praises my sister because she keeps her room speak and span. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
We should learn new words to express ourselves. So I would like to call Aditi Viroje from grade 8.
Very fresh point to all. Myself Aditi Viroje standing before you to tell today's vocabulary of the day. Today's word is academic. ACM, meaning highest point for the summit. Sentence: he has reached the acme of his career. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Now it's time to wrap our assembly this morning assembly. So I declare that today's assembly is over. Thank you and have a great day ahead.